Today's first question is by Priyanshu Singh. He's asking, how is developing web application different from developing a website? Priyanshu, technology wise, there is no difference in developing a web application and a website. It's basically on the functionality side where most of the differences appear. So when we talk about technologies wise, you can use same technology to create a web application as well as creating a website. You can use the same technology. So if you are talking about .NET, since I am a .NET, you can say promoter or .NET user, or you can say .NET architect. So I will primarily give you examples about .NET. So in .NET, you can use ASP.NET, MVC or Blazor to create website as well as web application. But the functionality wise, there is big difference between website and web application. Usually web applications are developed to solve a particular problem or to do a particular kind of work. So web application is kind of an application which is available over the internet. The popular example of web application can be a email client or email server. Sorry, not email client. It can be an email service like Gmail, Outlook or any other email service, or you can say a file sharing service, or you can say any other kind of any application which you can host on web and many people can use. So that is basically a web application. When we talk about websites are mostly used for like marketing purposes. So websites are kind of things where we have most of the data is kind of static data and there is very less user intervention involved in it. For example, you can say all the corporate websites, they are basically website. Be it if you go on any popular company website, if you go on let's say HCL.com, if you go on Infogain.com, if you go on Infosys.com, if you go on TCS.com, I don't know whether there is TCS.com or not, Wipro.com. So if you go on any kind of website, what you will get or what you will see is kind of a static content. So most of the time websites are used for marketing things or showcasing static content, and they have very less user interaction involved. So most of the websites only will have either like user entry form in the form of contact us, or you can say small operations. You can do only small operations, but those small operations are again they are used like they are integrated as a separate module. So even if you say that you are applying for a job, you will go on the website of that company, but from there you will be redirected to their job management portal. So website is like only used for showcasing or showing marketing things or showing static content. That is the like usability or primary difference between a website and web application. A web application is an application where like a web application is basically a website which is used for doing particular thing or doing activities or solving a particular problem, whereas a website is mostly used for marketing like marketing and other showing static content. For example, a blog site is also a website. So if you go on like if you go on my blog, that is techirathor.com, that is a blog site, but that is a static blog site because you don't have to do much interaction there. So those kind of things are basically websites. Those but technically or implementation wise or from developing point of view or as a developer, there is no difference for you. You will be using the same technologies in developing a website as well as a web application. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.